Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Silver Creek, British Columbia is a small rural community located just west of the city of Salmon Arm in the beautiful Shuswap region. Surrounded by farmland, forests, and gentle rolling hills, Silver Creek offers a quiet lifestyle that reflects the agricultural roots of the area. Its location near Shuswap Lake and the Trans-Canada Highway makes it a convenient and scenic place within one of British Columbia's most popular recreational regions. The history of Silver Creek is closely tied to the development of agriculture in the Shuswap region during the early 1900s. Early settlers were drawn to the fertile soil and reliable water sources that made the land suitable for farming and ranching. Families established homesteads, cleared land, and built the foundations of a rural community that focused on growing crops and raising livestock to support both local needs and nearby towns. Like many communities in the interior of British Columbia, Silver Creek benefited from the arrival of railway transportation in the late 1800s. The expansion of rail lines made it easier to move agricultural products to larger markets, helping farms become more productive and economically stable. The railway also encouraged further settlement, bringing new residents and contributing to the gradual growth of surrounding communities such as Salmon Arm and other Shuswap settlements. The natural surroundings of Silver Creek contribute greatly to its appeal. The nearby forests and hills provide habitat for wildlife, while the region's mild summers and snowy winters create a full range of seasonal experiences. Proximity to Shuswap Lake adds opportunities for recreation, including boating, fishing, and swimming, making the wider area a favorite destination for both residents and visitors seeking outdoor activities. Today, Silver Creek stands as an example of the many small communities that helped shape British Columbia's interior. Its quiet roads, productive farmland, and scenic landscapes reflect the perseverance of early settlers and the lasting importance of agriculture in the region.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!